I made this much money without a website, without any product, or without spending a single dollar on ads. All I did was just copy some text, paste it in the right place, and wait for the money come in. And every month I get paid again and again from the same people. In this video I'll show you guys how I'm getting recurring income just by helping online stores sending emails with a tool called Omnisend. No tech skill required, no experience. You can do this from any country with just your phone or laptop or computer. Hey guys, 𝗀𝗁 here, and if you follow all the steps of this video, you will learn how to build a recurring passive income stream right from your home using nothing but Google searches, a free Omnisend account, and simple copy-paste messages. You don't need any followers and you don't have to invest any money at all. But listen carefully, if you just watch the video and don't do anything, nothing will happen. No money will magically appear. So promise yourself right now that you'll pause the video and do each step with me. Alright, let's get started. Step number 1. Create your free Omnisend account. So first, open your browser and go to omnisend.com. Omnisend is basically email and SMS marketing tool for e-commerce. It helps online stores with collecting email addresses from their visitors, send automatic welcome emails, recover abandoned carts, send promotions to past customers, and make more money from the traffic they already have. We are not going to use Omnisend as a store owner. We're going to use it as an affiliate so that we can get paid every single month when stores use it. On the Omnisend homepage, create a free account. So click Start Free. Sign up using Google account. In the next page, enter your password and select non-e-commerce. And check these two boxes and complete the sign up and confirm your email if they send you a verification link. Now you are inside the Omnisend. Step 2. Join Omnisend affiliate program. Next, we need an affiliate link so we can get paid. From the footer of this website, look for something like affiliate partner and click that. On the affiliate partner page, click apply now and fill out the form with required details and submit it. Once you approved, you will get access to Impact Partner Program. Inside that dashboard, you will see your Omnisend affiliate program. In the landing page, paste the Omnisend homepage URL and click Create button. So this is the link that tracks all the customers that you send to Omnisend. Whenever one of your referrals upgrade to paid plan of Omnisend, you will get 20% recurring commission every single month as long as they stay as a paid customer. So copy your affiliate link and keep it ready. Step 3. Shorten your Omnisend affiliate link. Now we'll make that long ugly link to look clean and professional. Click on Sign Up Free button. Sign up using your Google account or email. Once you're inside, click Create New and then select Shorten Link. Paste your Omnisend affiliate link and click on Create Your Link button. Bitly will give you a shorten link. Now copy that link and save it any safe place. This is the link that you'll send to businesses. Every time someone clicks it and sign up on Omnisend and become a paid customer, you will earn 20% recurring commission every single month. You set this up once, the commission keep coming as long as the stores keep using Omnisend. Step 4. Understand who need Omnisend. Now, who actually need the Omnisend? Any online store that sell products on internet like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, etc. who doesn't have the good email marketing setup and who wants more sale from the traffic they already get. And here's a little example. Small clothing brands, pet stores, handmade product shops, supplement stores, local shops that also sell online. Most of them don't collect emails, they don't send welcome emails, don't recover abandoned carts, don't send regular promotions. That means they are leaving money on the table and Omnisend fixes that. So we are going to use Google to find these stores and show them what they are missing and suggest Omnisend as a solution with your affiliate link. Step 5. Use Google to find e-commerce stores. So open google.com. Now type something like buy pet products online Texas, or you can search for handmade candle online USA, clothing store online UK, organic skincare online Canada, anything that indicates it's an online store. Make sure they sell physical products and make sure they're small or medium-sized brand, not like Amazon or eBay, big chain brands. When the search results appear, ignore the ads at the top. They are usually bigger brands or already very optimized. Scroll down to the organic results, open few of these smaller looking stores in a new tab, and you can also go to the second or third page of Google to find the less established store that probably need more help. Step 6. Check if they are using email marketing properly. So open one of the store websites that you found. Now look for a few things. Is there a pop-up asking for email? like get 10% off your first order, enter your email, something like that. If there is a no pop-up at all, this is a big sign. That means they are not collecting emails properly. Next, is there any sign-up form in the footer or header? If you can't find any place to join their email list, that means they are missing. Next, make sure to check, does it feel like a smaller brand? Simple design, not a big famous company. These are usually perfect lead for Omnisend. If they don't have obvious way to collect emails, that's your opportunity. Now we will contact them. Step 7. Find their contact page and send your script. On that same website, look for contact or contact us, help, or scroll to the footer for their email address or contact form. Once you find, click it. If there is a contact form, fill out the required details like your name, email, and your messages. Or you can send emails directly with your Gmail or any mail app. So in the message box, paste this script that I've already created for you, which you can find in the video description. Or you can write your own version, or you can take help of AI to write a script for you. You can send your affiliate link in your first message, or you can send your affiliate link later once they reply. Both can work, test and see which gets more response. Now repeat this process, find another store, check their site, go to contact page, send a short or customized version of your script with Omnisend affiliate link. More quality messages you send, more chance you have that store owners sign up using your affiliate link. Step 8. How the recurring commission works. Here's where this becomes more powerful. Every time a store click your bit.ly link, sign up to Omnisend, upgrade to paid plan, you earn percentage of commission what they pay to Omnisend every single month if they stay as a paid customer. That's the power of software as a service without monthly billing and a recurring affiliate program. So that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you found this video valuable. If so, don't forget to hit the like button. That would be appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.